Hi, it's me, Miss Angie. Thank you for joining me. Today I have a special treat, a book called Colors Pop-Up Peekaboo, and it's written by Dawn Surratt, designed by Susan Calvert. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about a chicken living on the farm? No. Do you think it's about driving a car? No. Do you think it's about colors and a butterfly? Yes. Join me. Let's find out what this book is about. It says, Teddy loves yellow flowers and the yellow sun. She's looking for her yellow friend so they can have some fun. Sun and fun are rhyming words. That means they sound alike. Sun and fun. There's yellow flowers, yellow bee, a yellow sun, and a yellow watering can. Let's look behind the yellow watering can. Peekaboo! There's yellow ducky. Quack, quack goes yellow ducky. Say bye-bye, ducky. Let's see what's next. Here's Dolly. Dolly loves red. Red fruit that tastes so sweet. She's looking for her red friend. It's time for them to eat. Sweet and eat, those are more rhyming words. Dolly has a red dress, red ribbons, and red strawberries. There's some fruit. Let's look behind the fruit, the red fruit. Peekaboo! There's Red Birdie. Tweet, tweet goes Red Birdie. There's tweet, tweet. Red Birdie. Say bye-bye, Red Birdie. Let's see what's next. Rabbit loves blue. Blue ponds and the blue sky. His speedy blue friend might soon be hovering by. Sky and by, those are rhyming words. Blue bunny, blue butterfly, blue flowers, and a blue sailboat. Let's look behind the sailboat. Peekaboo! There's blue dragonfly. Hi, blue dragonfly. Bye-bye, blue dragonfly. Let's see what's next. Puppy loves green. Green leaves from the green trees. But where's his smiley green friend? Find her for me, please. Trees and please. Those are more rhyming words. There's a green dog with green apples, green leaves, and a green tree. Let's look behind the green tree. Peekaboo! There's Green Turtle. Hi, Green Turtle. Say bye-bye, Green Turtle. Let's see what's next. All the toys love rainbows and rainbow flowers too. And when they find their rainbow friend, they'll all shout, Peekaboo! There's the colorful butterfly with lots of colors. We say bye-bye to the rainbow butterfly and all her friends. Bye-bye, butterfly. Bye-bye, friends. The end. Thank you for reading the book with me. And today we have an activity to go with our book. The activity today that we'll be doing is we're going to be making our very own butterfly. Let's get our items ready. We're going to put our butterfly on this pink paper. Okay, so first we need our set of wings. So here we have the butterfly wings. Can you say, I have red butterfly wings?
I have red butterfly wings.
Good job. Now let's glue that onto our pink paper. There it goes. We're going to push it down. Let's count for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Next we have some more wings. This is the color orange. You guessed it. So let's put our orange wings on our butterfly. We're going to make it colorful. Can you say, I have orange wings?
I have orange wings.
Good job. Now we'll glue it onto our butterfly. Okay, let's put it here in the middle. Let's hold it down for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Next we have the body of the butterfly, and it's the color purple. Good job, you guessed it. Let's put it here in the middle. Can you say, I have a purple butterfly body?
I have a purple butterfly body.
Good job. Now let's glue it on our paper. Let's hold it down for 5 counts. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. We need to add a little bit more color. Let's see. We have some blue dots. Where do you think we can put these blue dots? Yes, right there on the wings. Let's put a little bit of glue. Remember, dot, dot, not a lot. We can put our blue dots. Can you say, I have 2 blue dots?
I have 2 blue dots.
Good job. And they go right on top. Okay, let's hold them for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Thank you for helping. Okay, next up we have some more colorful dots. Here we have some bright pink dots. We're going to put them on our butterfly. Can you say, I have 2 pink dots?
I have 2 pink dots.
Good job. Remember, we're going to put some glue. Dot, dot, not a lot. Okay, let's put them on the bottom. And let's hold them there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, we're missing some more colors. What about these 2 yellow dots? Yeah, we can put them on top. Can you say, I have 2 yellow dots?
I have 2 yellow dots.
Good job. And what do we say about our glue? Dot, dot, not a lot. You're right. Okay, let's put them on the top and hold them for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Thank you for your help. Now, we're missing antennas. Do you know what antennas are? They're the little antennas that go on the top of the butterfly. Let's put them on the top. Can you say, I have 2 green antennas?
I have 2 green antennas.
Good job. Let's put them on the top. Dot, dot, not a lot. Okay, here it goes. Let's hold it. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, we have our beautiful butterfly, but it's missing some more color. Let's add some more color. Let's see. We're going to add 3 little dot colors. Let's do dot, dot, not a lot. And we're going to add our 3 dot colors. Red, blue, and orange. Red, blue, and orange. Let's hold them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now it's missing something before we finish. Let's see. Missing eyes and a mouth. Now our butterfly is complete. Can you say, I made a beautiful butterfly?
I made a beautiful butterfly.
Good job! Thank you for your help today with our activity and with reading our book. We'll see you next time. Bye!